Hello, crafties, and welcome back to YouTube's most popular art channel, Dan and Phil Crafts.
We've been away for a long while.
We've had important events to prepare for.
I've been in a box,
They tried to stop us.
but they didn't.
We have returned, and so shall he. What are we crafting today, Phil?
Well, we are mixing two of my favorite things.
What is that?
Textural sensations
Bumpy.
and liquid. Today, we are making
Slime. Is slime a liquid?
Don't question me. Slime. You
We'll need...
something sticky. It's the glue.
Can you use tape?
No.
You said sticky.
You can use clear
Phil's
glue
lying.
or hard glue.
But don't drink it. It will make your stomach cry.
What a sticky udder.
And crafts are for smiling. Lovable nukul pakul dikul.
Color transparente. We won't need eyes for much longer. But contact lens solution. Shaving foams. Too much folly leads to danger.
I apologize.
Samson, here is the water. And here are the slime decorations.
You made a mess.
Not again.
Silly Billy. Silly Philly.
Silly kill. A sensation of texture.
Every insertion leads to more spillage.
No, too hot. Some glitter, not for your faces.
We already did that.
Food colorings. Bicarbonate.
Are we making art or food?
The soda.
But not the kind you drink.
No.
What would happen if you drank this?
Last night I had a dream that I was no longer here.
Death! The threshold was weakened, but today he will enter our realm. Are we measuring in cups, spoons, milliliters, pints,
No.
ounces, grams, feet, inches,
Feet.
Celsius,
Get yourself your bowl. Well prepared.
and a spoon? It feels like breakfast. Are you excited to commence the craft?
Yes, the ritual is nearly complete. We just need the final tribute.
This will bind it all together.
Get your glue. My glue is clear, not like mother's milk. There she is. Look at it.
You got glue on the side of your bowl. Messy Nelly.
Clear glue makes clear slime.
Not clear glue makes
Hard slime.
Pro tip.
So high, the pour is strong. Look at that yield.
Ah!
Stop! Add some water.
Why are they called tablespoons? Because we found them on a table.
No more water for the rest of the week.
And now you mix.
Time to shave without a blade.
No razors today. We don't like things to be sharp. We like things to be soft.
I can't press it.
We like things to be soft.
Soft and neat. Oh yes. Release the gas. Press harder. Stop. Not food.
You can use foam to make a beard if you're silly.
We are not silly.
Pro tip.
Eject. We're running out of time and midnight is soon.
If the full moon wanes, it will all be for naught.
Dan, what does bicarbonate mean?
This is an art channel, not a language channel.
Insert the language. I will do this for you.
Collaboration. Because remember, creativity is nothing without friendship.
What's the one sink you can't ship?
What colour is your slime going to be, Phil?
Mine is going to be blue.
Like your eyes.
Yes.
And the sky.
Oh, what colour is your slime going to be? I am also using blue glitter.
Mine is becoming most pleasing. Be careful. Glitter goes everywhere. Phil got some on the table. Now it will spread. Once it spreads, you might as well be dead.
Pro tip.
My craft has a special purpose tonight, and I need a special ingredient.
I know where we can get that. That's the perfect amount. Might need a plaster there. safety,
Pro tip.
adding all of my balls.
Irresponsible.
The textures will delight.
Slime can be for anything. Fun.
Or for him, adding in the eye juice. My slime will be fun to touch.
My slime is a vessel.
Look, Daniel. My slime is complete.
Making things with your friends is so fun. I'm going to touch.
Sharing is caring. I haven't given you permission. Look at this. Slime is for games. Slime is for rubbing all over your sofa. Slime improves your day.
Feed it to your mother.
What about your slime?
My slime is not for play.
What is it for?
We upload to Daniful Crafts 2 times every single day.
It's been a long journey.
We love all of our crafty audience that spread the message of this channel on all the other videos, on the internet, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Everybody enjoyed that.
It smells clean.
Can I please touch it?
Friendship. Ow! Please share this video with your fellow crafties to show them how to make slime.
It will go on the head.
Remember that every time you like the video, it brings joy into my
It will go on the
soul.
palm.
It brings joy into your soul.
It will go on you.
Oh.
But you will not be sat. You will be laying in the symbol.
Crafting has improved my life in numerous ways.
I will prepare the fire. This was just a start, but he'll need it straight from the source.
I'm happy to give it to him. Thank you to all of our crafties for supporting our adventures over the years.
It has been so fun crafting and arting and creating with our community.
And remember,
Don't cry, craft.
The ice that binds him,
The glittering spirits that feed him,
the sigil of his house.
the vermilion that will set him free.
Hello, crafties. Art is important. Soft and neat. Creativity is nothing without friendship. Don't cry, craft.